Today's question is how to find the main idea in a paragraph or story. Finding the main idea in a paragraph or story is important because it helps us understand the author's main message and the purpose behind the text. It is essential because it enhances comprehension, improves memory, and allows readers to engage more meaningfully with the text. It is a foundational skill that supports all other aspects of reading and learning. Here are some steps and tips to help you identify the main idea effectively. First, read the paragraph or story carefully. Start by reading the text closely. Sometimes reading it more than once helps you understand the overall message better. Second, look for repeated words or ideas. Pay attention to words or phrases that are repeated throughout the text. These often point to the main idea or theme. Third, identify the topic. Ask yourself, what is this paragraph or story mostly about? This will help you identify the topic, which is usually one or two-word subject like friendship, sports, or teamwork. Fourth, look at the first and last sentences. In many paragraphs, the main idea is stated in the first sentence, which is the topic sentence, or the last sentence, which is the concluding sentence. These sentences often summarize the main point. Fifth, summarize the text in your own words. Try to describe the paragraph or story in one sentence. If you can do this, you've likely found the main idea. Lastly, ask why. Ask yourself, why did the author write this? What message are they trying to convey? Understanding the author's purpose can help clarify the main idea. Let us study these examples. First, simple paragraph. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. They have strong trunks and thick skin to protect them from predators. These animals are known for their intelligence and memory. Elephants often live in groups and care for each other. Let us now find the main idea. Step 1. Read and find the topic. So the topic here is about the elephants. Step 2. Look for a sentence that summarizes the information. The first sentence, elephants are the largest land animals on Earth, introduces the main idea. So if you summarize the text in your own words, the main idea would be: elephants are large, intelligent animals with unique characteristics. Example 2. Short story. Story summary. Tim was nervous about his school talent show. He practiced his dance every day, determined to overcome his fear of performing in front of others. When the day came, he performed well and realized he enjoyed dancing on stage. Let us now find the main idea. Step 1. Identify the topic. The topic is about Tim overcoming his fear of performing. Step 2. find the author's purpose. It is about facing fears and finding confidence. So our main idea is that practicing and facing your fears can lead to confidence and enjoyment.